Hi, how are you? Top of the day to you. My name is Temi Ajibewa, the millionaire housewife. In this training, I'll be sharing with you how to make money from home, how you can do what you love to do, what you have passion for, right in the comfort of your home and make money doing it. Now, first thing, you may want to ask, what is the whole point of even bothering to make money from home, or to work from home? Then I will tell you there are three major things that you need to bear in mind. Now, number one thing is you need to be able to contribute meaningfully to your family economy as a woman. Like seriously, right now, the economy of the country or of the world is not permitting that the all that every member of the family should live only on one person's income. Really, I consider it a level of witchcraft when a woman says that her husband has to bear all her burden. The man has to take care of you, take care of the children, take care of your siblings, take care of your parents. Like, seriously, what happened to you? Are you an invalid? So, really, it is essential right now for every woman to contribute meaningfully to her family economy. All right. So what you're doing is good, right? You are helping the family, you are helping to raise the children and all that. It is a fantastic. Okay. I'm not taking it for granted, but I'm saying, what if you could do more? What if you could actually, do all of that and still make your own money? You don't have to wait on your husband to buy matches, to buy your sanitary towel, or to buy good things for yourself, buy a new phone, or who says you can't even sponsor your family's vacation? Who says? So really, it is important that you start thinking of how to contribute meaningfully to your family economy. Number two, okay, is that you have time to raise your children. All right. So I have this client, and then she told me one day that the reason why she enrolled for my training was because she was going on a that she went to go and pick her kids in school, and then on their way back, the younger child, there are two of them, the younger of the children said, "Mommy, buy us pizza, buy us pizza." And the older child, the boy, said, "Stop asking mommy for anything. You know that she doesn't have money." And she said, "Whoa, you mean our kids already have this thinking that she's a broke woman?" And she said, no, she had to change the narrative, that she could not afford for her children to see her as a dependent woman who does not always have money, or who is always broke. Okay, so the number two thing here is that you will have time and means to raise your children better. That is a major point you want to actually ride on as a woman who wants or who should start a home business. Number three is that you'll be able to make informed decisions, so that even if you are at home, you're raising your children, because you have a business that also allows you to make money. You are able to make informed decisions. If your husband should do one thing or say one thing that that you should not take that kind of shit, you would not, because you have the power. Economic power is a powerful power. So you'll be able to make informed decisions. I've seen women that their husbands molest their daughters and they are unable to do anything. When I say, "Can't you leave?" And she goes, I'm not doing anything. If I should leave now, the man will throw the girl, and our four other siblings out of his house, and then nothing. And then, I'm like, so you mean you will continually bear your husband to abuse, to sexually abuse your daughter? And she said, well, that's the price she has to pay to train the other children. And I'm like, no, this is every shade of wrong. Okay. And then some women say, oh, uh, he does not allow me to work, or he doesn't want me to work. Trust me, if you do the working from home and you make money from home and contribute to the family, he would love and respect you far more than women. Men love money. Yes, men love money because men need money. And when a woman is contributing to the family economy, she becomes even more loving, sorry, she becomes more lovely or more lovable by the man. Okay, so now that we are clear on that, I'd like to give you a little gist about myself. Okay, so I have 2 degrees, LLB English and BA English and LLB Law. Okay, and then I got married, had my first child, and then I found myself at home. I needed to do something, from home, and that was how I was introduced to a way of getting cheap data. That is MTN data bundles for cheaper price than the network was offering it. And so I learned the business. I no Before learning the business, I bought from the person. Okay, I patronized him. I said I was working, and then I now learned the business and began to do the business. And from there, I was making money from home. I mean, I was making so much money that even my contemporaries who go out to work started coming to learn the same business from me. So trust me, it is possible for you to actually run a business from home. And today, I now train women. I have trained over 1,000 women on how they can also start and run profitable online businesses, that they can do from home. I have a book, How to Make Millions in Your Nightgown, and I have an e-course I would love you to enroll for if you are yet to have your own home-based or online business. All right, the title is Start an Online Business e-course. It's currently going for a promo price, and you can click on the link below this video for you to actually enroll for the course. The course takes you on about 4 to 5 types of businesses you can do from the comfort of your home. MTN data sharing, how to be a visual assistant, how to run a profitable e-commerce website, and several online investments that you can actually do. There are over 50 videos there. It's an online course, so you don't have to see me or be with me to take the course. And also, we have a support group on Facebook where you can actually ask your questions, okay, any time of the day. And my team and your fellow students like you will be there to help you through the process. Okay, now I want to go quickly to 3 mistakes that housewives make. All right, number one is not having a budget. So your husband has given you some money, and then you just spend everything. You don't even have how much you go to where. If you don't have a budget, there's no way you'll be able to save. So starting today, start budgeting your money and start putting something aside for yourself that you can use to invest and start your own business as well. Number two is spending it all. Spending it all is a major bane that most housewives make, because they're at home, they can see all the needs, and they think that they have to meet all the needs. No, you don't, sister. Let some needs go unmet. Postpone some needs to next month. You can't spend it all and expect to be a woman of substance or a woman of worth in your house. Okay. Number three mistake is not having a business. You need to have a business. You need to have at least something that brings money to your hand day in, day out. And starting an online business is a powerful way for you to start and run a home-based business. So please enroll for the course, okay? Either you or somebody you know would need that course. All right. Now, the other thing I'd like to discuss here with you in this training is how to actually make millions from home. Yup. Are you ready? Now, there are 6 ways. The first one is, number one, first, accept it in your mind. Accept it in your mind that it is possible. Stop thinking that you cannot make millions, that you cannot work from home. Stop thinking that it's impossible. Who will buy from me? There's so many tech things involved. Stop thinking that. When you start it, you will know what next step to take. But if you overwhelm your mind right now on all the things you don't know, and you forget the things you know, guess what? You will never start. And if you never start, you will never grow. And if you never grow, you would never ever become successful. All right. So number two is, find a problem you can solve. It could be a problem around your area. It could be a problem online based on what you know you can do. or based on the values that you have, on your passion, your talents, the interest you have, opportunities around and opportunities within you. Please ensure that you actually find a problem you can solve. Number two is to leverage on the internet. Embrace the internet. It is a beautiful thing you want to do. Trust me on that. Embrace the internet. People are doing so many things. Young women, young girls, young boys and girls are doing amazing things on the internet. Stop saying you don't know how to do it. Start learning to do it. Okay, leverage on the internet. Be on social media. Not just you're there, you're just watching and reading all sorts of posts and commenting. How about you putting out your own posts? Now, in the online business e-course, I'll be teaching you how to market on social media. I'll be giving you one of my books, how to sell on Facebook without Facebook ads. I'll also be giving you my book, how to make millions in your nightgown. Okay, so a leverage on the internet. Number four is generate multiple streams of income. Okay, so the millions, the millions come together faster when they are coming from different angles. So it could be from that your one business, you can have multiple streams of income from that one business. For example, I'm a coach, so I generate funds from my e-courses, from my books, from my group coaching program, from my membership program. I have a membership club called Ladies in Business Club, okay, where I mentor and coach women on how to grow and scale their businesses. Okay, I have my inner circle group coaching program. I have my one-on-one program. I have my speaking engagement, my training, all of this from being a result coach. All right, so multiple streams of income can actually be from one source, even though it's from it gives you different avenues. So think about this. Now, number five way to make millions from home is through discipline. I mean, you really want to be disciplined even if you work from home. Don't say that that because you work from home, therefore you spend half your day watching television, you spend the other half watching reading newspaper or magazines that don't benefit you. No, you have to be disciplined enough. You have to do the work, because trust me, the work will not do itself. You have to do the work. You have to focus. You have to be disciplined. Put your children in a crèche if necessary. Get a nanny if necessary. But do the work, because your dreams will not pursue themselves. They will not crush themselves. You have to crush these goals yourself. Then finally, number six, commit to the journey and to the goal, because it's not happened for you in 1 month, in 2 months, or even in 1 year. I didn't become millionaire housewife in the first few months or 1 year that I started. No, it became it came over time. So commit to your journey. The first 1 month may be difficult. Second month you may even lose money. I lost money my first 2 or 3 months in the business, and this is the same business that has now helped me to build a very profitable brand online. Okay, so commit to the journey, please. Don't want quickies. Don't say that things have to happen for you immediately. No, don't do that. Okay, commit to your journey, commit to your goal and the person you are becoming while going out for your goal. All right, I trust that this training has been very valuable to you. I trust that you actually have found immense value in this, and I know that you will also share this video to your friends who may need this. But more importantly, I need you to enroll for the Start an Online Business e-course if you are yet to have any form of business. In that video, I teach you well over 20 businesses you can do from home, and I focus on 4 core ones, which are empty data sharing, having an e-commerce website, having to becoming how to become a virtual assistant, and you also get online investment that you can do profitably and fetch you good sums of money on a monthly, weekly basis. Okay, so that is the first place you want to go, and we have a promo running, but not forever, just for a few days from today. So go now and click on the tab and read about the course, and you should enroll for it. I look forward to seeing you in the course and, of course, the Facebook support group. Have a good time. Bye.